Hello students, welcome to the class. Today we will see the explanation of the poem Meadow Surprises by Lois Brand Phillips. So this is the first stanza of poem. Meadows have surprises. You can find them if you look. Walk softly through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. Brook means a small river, as you can see in the picture. So the poet want to say that meadows means grassland, as you can see the picture. There are many grasses and these grasses are like velvet यहाँ पर एक cloth होता है, soft cloth. So in this poem the grasses compared to the velvet, यानी कि meadows में soft grasses होती हैं. So the poet want to say that meadows have many surprises and you can find these surprises by yourself if you look carefully. And you can walk on the soft grasses and listen the sound of the brook, यानी कि जब when the river flows, then it produces sound, a pleasing sound, and you can listen it if you listen carefully. In the next stanza, the poet want to say that you may see a butterfly rest upon a buttercup and unfold its drinking straw to sip the nectar up. Here, nectar means a sweet fluid produced by flower. So, here the poet want to say that in the grassland, in the meadows, you can see the butterflies also. They sit on the different kind of flowers and suck the nectar, यानी कि जो nectar है flower का sweet fluid है उसको वो शक करती हैं by using unfolding its drinking straw, यानी कि जो drinking straw बने हुए हैं उनके, and they suck the nectar using these drinking straw. In the third stanza, the poet says that you may scare a rabbit who is sitting very still, though at first you may not see him. When he hops, you will. Scare means frightened or afraid of, यानी कि डराना. So here the poet says that you may scare, आप किसी rabbit को भी डरा सकते हैं, स्केयर कर सकते हैं. सो यू मे स्केयर अ रैबिट हु इज सिटिंग वेरी स्टिल, जो बिल्कुल शांत बैठा हुआ है ग्रासलैंड में. दो एट फर्स्ट यू मे नॉट सी हिम, मे बी इन द बिगनिंग व्हेन यू एंटर इन द ग्रासलैंड इन द मीडोज यू डिडंट सी, आप उस रैबिट को ना देखें. बट व्हेन ही हॉप्स दैट मीन्स जंप, बट व्हेन ही हॉप्स, व्हेन ही जंप, देन यू विल सी दैट रैबिट. Next stanza. A dandelion whose fuzzy head was golden days ago has turned to airy parachutes that flutters when you blow. Here dandelion is a flower that you can see in the picture and his head is fuzzy, as you can see like that. Was golden days ago has turned to airy parachute, and if you look it carefully it looks like a parachute that flutters when you blow. And when the wind blow or if you blow, अगर आप मतलब when you use your mouth to blow or suppose the wind blows या हवा चले, then it flutters. Flutters yes means move like the wings of birds. Explore the meadow houses, the burrows in the ground, a nest beneath all grasses, the ant's amazing mound. Here, explore means to discover, to search, or mound means a small heap of sand, as you can see in the picture. This is called mound, जो mostly ants वगैरह बनाती हैं. यहाँ देखो दिया भी हुआ है, the ant's amazing mound. So, explore the meadow houses. Here the poet want to say that you can explore, you can see, you can search many houses also. इस meadows में अलग अलग तरह के houses भी होते हैं, like burrows in the ground, यानी कि ground, जमीन में burrows बने होते हैं, like rabbits burrows बनाते हैं. A nest beneath tall grasses, and some birds make their nest beneath the tall grasses. जो बड़ी grasses हैं, घास हैं, उसके नीचे कुछ birds हैं जो अपनी nest को बनाती हैं. And the ants amazing mound, और ants के amazing mounds. So here you can see the house of rabbit is bureau, nest is the house of bird, and mound is the house of ant. Last stanza of the poem. Oh, meadows have surprises and many things to tell. You may discover these yourself if you look and listen well. Here, discover means find out. So, in the last stanza, the poet want to say that meadows have many surprises and many things to tell. Only you have to look them carefully. You can also discover them by yourself if you look and listen carefully. Thank you.